Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the crabs and making the first brine. Rinse and gut the crabs quickly. You want minimal water on the shell so brine penetrates. Once cleaned, mix 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 tablespoon sugar and aromatics. Heat until sugar dissolves, then cool slightly. You do this because the acidic brine firms meat and begins preservation. Make sure to taste for balance before pouring it over the crabs. Once the brine is ready and slightly cooled, you pack crabs into a clean jar with layers of garlic, chili, bay leaf, and sliced ginger so flavors distribute evenly. Pour the brine to fully cover the crabs, leaving 1/2 inch headspace. Sealing loosely allows gases to escape during initial fermentation. After 24 hours, you should tighten the lid and move the jar to a refrigerator or cool dark spot. This step lets acid and aromatics penetrate. You finish by tasting the crabs starting at day 3. Once the meat has firmed and the tang is balanced, it's ready to eat. Transfer to the coldest part of the fridge and use clean utensils. Properly stored, the pickle lasts up to 2 months. If you encounter cloudiness, a rotten smell, or a slimy texture, discard the batch. These are signs of spoilage. For mild cloudiness without odor, you can refrigerate and reevaluate a small piece. Safety always takes priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.